Hello, so today I'm going to teach you how you can play games on a school computer that won't let you to go to most websites. So I'll show you an example like y8.com, you can't go there. So I'm going to show you an example on how to do it. So you want to get something called DOSBox. If you don't know how to get it, go to Google and then just search up DOSBox. This also works on Chrome. You want to make sure it's Chrome. This also works for Chromebooks. So if you're on a Chromebook or your school is giving you a Chromebook instead of a regular Windows laptop, then you could also use this. So you just want to click Add to Chrome and Add App. So I'm guessing that if you are watching this, then you probably have a school computer and they might ban the websites for you. So you gotta have a second computer if you want to get these games. But yeah, so if you want to get most games, that's how. And there's also Quake, so yeah, you can also go there. But that's not today's thing. So you might have this blank screen, and if you do, just hit this question mark, and then once you've hit this question mark, go to import directory, and I have a USB, like I said, so I go here and then just click OK. Now it should have that, configure DOSBox, and if you have the blank screen, then just go here, delete, and put draw. And click save, and just exit out of DOSBox. Click launch app, and it's loaded. So now you have your games, you've got DOSBox. How do you launch it? So you are going to type CLS, hit enter, and then you're going to type CD and then DOSBox, because that's what you would name your folder. And then inside of that folder, you would have another folder called games. That's where you would have all your games. Whoops, CD games. And then you want to go to your games. So I'm going to open this up, red USB, DOSBox, games. And here's my game I want to play. I want to play Pac-Man. So there's Pac PC 2. So I go to Chrome and I type in CD Pac PC 2. And then you just type in Pac PC 2 again. And now it should load. So then I'm just going to hit 1. And yeah, that's how you play. So I'll just show you how it works. It's kind of hard to control because it keeps going. So I'm not even pressing anything right now. But yeah, that's entirely how it works. And it's really simple to do, and I can't believe not a lot of other people know about it. It was really hard for me to get this to work at first. And then I figured it out from going to like forum sites and stuff. So yeah. Thanks for watching.